starting. Go ahead.
Okay, Google. What sound does an elk make?
Here's what an elk sounds like.
What do you want to hear next? Okay, Google, what sound does a snake make?
This is a rattlesnake.
Okay, Google, what sound does an airplane make?
Here's an airplane sound.
Yeah, an airplane. Oh, whale. Okay. Okay, Google, what sound does a whale make?
Here's what a whale sounds like.
Okay, Google, what does a lion sound like?
Here's a lion sound.
What do you want to hear next? Okay, Google, what does a train sound like?
Here's a train sound.
Okay, Google. What does a fish sound like?
I don't know how to sound for fish yet.
He was all excited about hearing it too.
Okay, Google, what noise does an elk make?
Okay, Google. What sound does an elk make?
Here's an elk sound.
Elk. Okay. Okay, Google, what sound does a snake make?
Again?
He likes it.
A rattlesnake sounds like this.
Scary.
Okay, Google, what sound does a dinosaur make?
Here's a dinosaur sound.
Dinosaur.
Okay, Google, what sound does a helicopter make?
This is a helicopter.
Helicopter, that's right. Another snake.
Okay, Google, what sound does a truck make?
A truck sounds like this.
He's a bit tense, isn't he, with the sounds of the...
He's so cute. Okay, Google, what sound does a bear make?
A bear sounds like this.
Look at his shaking.
Okay, Google. What sound does a bird make?
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that.
Aww.
Okay, Google.
Really?
What sound does an eagle make?
A golden eagle sounds like this.
Okay, Google, what sound does a duck make?
This is a duck.
Quack, 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 quack.
Yeah.